The restoration part of SEMA is one of my favorite spots because it's the place where you can find the brand new parts for the very old cars. On that note, I'm here with my friend Greg Majorana in the OER booth. Now, you guys have some new emblems, new badges, that sort of thing this year. I want you to tell me about them.
Well, we hit Mopar heavy this year. We went hard after a lot of the emblems that aren't being made. A lot of the individual lettering we've got.
Well, yeah, over the years as they were producing these cars, things would change from year to year to year, and that creates a whole lot of little gaps and niches that somebody's got to fill them.
Extremely. I mean, we're going back and we're tackling the gaps in the Mopar. And as with all my lines, I want to go back and clean up. You know, start filling in some of these voids, get these obsolete parts and odd parts that the customers want. You know, you get cars that it was a 500, but now it's a 50 because you dropped a zero somewhere in 1976, you know? And we want to try and we want to put that zero back on the car and get them back to being identified.
Yeah, that's maybe the quickest way to add some power is just add zeros, right?
Exactly. Newer kids use stickers, we go for the old chrome emblem.
Now, I understand you've also got some new grills this year. You've got an Impala grill hanging up over here that's very cool. That's hard to find.
Hard to find, and they were so flimsy. Just the materials they were made of. If you sneezed at them wrong, they twisted in half. So the cars that didn't make it and ended up in the junkyards, that was probably one of the first pieces that really just died, literally.
Yeah, it's hard to find, especially original stuff that's going for big dollars on the internet, even used and all beat up. What are the year ranges, the model ranges that you're offering for that Impala grill?
That Impala grill is strictly 58. It's a one-year thing, which is why you got to kind of pay some attention to it. They are big money cars when they're restored correctly.
Tough to find those parts.
And which leaves it to us. You know, it's time to pick up the slack and fill in the gaps.
All right, OER parts worldwide, so hot rodders out there who happen to not be in the U.S., they've got a solution for you. Craig, thanks for having us out. Good learning about what's coming in 2018, and stay tuned because there's a lot more coming your way from SEMA.